kept your picture on my bedroom wall. Thought I'd need forever just to watch it fall. Every little memory echoed through the night, but even broken hearts can find another light. Coffee tastes different without your name. Funny how the silence doesn't hurt the same. I stopped chasing shadows that were never mine. Now I'm learning how my own heart shines. I cried enough to fill the sea, but the waves brought back the best of me. I'm dancing after all the rain, no more wearing all your pain. Every scar became a star. Now I know just who we are. I don't need you maybe someday. I found tomorrow yesterday. Watch me bloom where you let go. I'm finally stronger than you'll ever know. I hear our song and I don't break. It's just another road I didn't take. Every goodbye made another door, leading me somewhere I've never been before. I stopped asking why you walked away. Some endings simply clear the way. The girl you left isn't here tonight. She found her wings and learned to fly. I carry storms inside my soul.